In this video, I'll guide you through how to reopen a Google Cloud billing account. Whether you've accidentally closed your account or simply need to reactivate it, this straightforward process can get your Google Cloud services back up and running in no time. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your Google Cloud console. This is your main hub for managing all things related to your Google Cloud services. Once you're in the console, look for the billing section. You can usually find it in the left-hand menu. Clicking on billing will take you to a page where you can manage all aspects of your billing accounts. Now, you'll need to find the account you want to reopen. In the billing section, you should see a list of your billing accounts. These will include both active and closed accounts. Browse through this list and locate the specific account that has been closed. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've found your closed billing account, click on it to open its detail page. Here, you should see an option that says Reopen Billing Account. This is the key step in reviving your account. Click on this button and you'll be one step closer to reactivating your billing services. After clicking to reopen your account, Google Cloud will ask for your confirmation. This is just to ensure that you really intend to reopen the account and to prevent any accidental reactivations. Review the details presented to you, and if everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm your choice. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully reopened your Google Cloud billing account. It's important to keep in mind that reactivating your billing account means your services will resume, so ensure that you're ready for any associated charges that may occur. If you run into any issues during this process, Google Cloud support is always available to help you through any complications. It's also a good idea to regularly check your billing settings and account status to avoid any interruptions in the future. Remember, keeping your billing information up to date and monitoring your account activity can prevent accidental closures and ensure that your Google Cloud services remain uninterrupted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Enjoy using your Google Cloud services once again.